Do you have something you enjoy doing or you're good at and wish you could make money from it? Well, you can. I'm going to show you 5 ways in which you can make money from something you're good at or something you enjoy doing. Number 1, create and sell products or services. If you have a skill or hobby that you're passionate about, consider creating products or offering services related to it. For example, if you enjoy making music, you could become a producer, songwriter, you could even become a musical engineer. Or if you're into fitness, you could become a personal trainer or create workout plans and sell them online. Number 2, teach workshops or classes. Share your knowledge and expertise by teaching workshops or classes. This could be done in person or online, depending on the preferences and the nature of your hobby. Whether it's cooking, photography, music, or gardening, there's always an audience out there that's trying to learn from you. Number 3, start a blog or YouTube channel. Create content around your passion and monetize it through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Whether it's writing articles, making videos, or hosting a podcast, building an audience around your interests can lead to opportunities for generating income through partnerships with brands or through ad revenue. Number 4, offer consulting or coaching services. If you have specialized knowledge or experience in a particular area, you could offer consulting or coaching services to individuals or businesses. For example, if you're passionate about personal finance, you could offer financial coaching services to help others manage their money more effectively. Number 5, monetize your social media presence. If you have a strong presence on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook, you can leverage your following to generate income through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products or merchandise. Many influencers and content creators earn a living by partnering with brands and promoting their products to their audience. These are just a few examples of how you can monetize something you enjoy doing. The key is to identify your strengths and passions, find ways to provide value to others, and leverage various platforms and channels to reach your target audience. If you have any questions, ask below in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, press the like button. If you want more ways to improve yourself, subscribe and check out the channel. We'll have many videos that are coming out that you may enjoy. And if you think this could help someone, don't hesitate and share it around. Catch you guys in the next video.